Big news on silver and gold Friday, the 13th, everyone. We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver update. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. We made it to Friday. I made it to Friday. Yesterday was a rough day, but hey, we're here right now. I'm glad I made it to Friday because tomorrow's Saturday. Love it. So happy coffee, everybody. We got some pretty big news on silver and gold this morning that we're going to talk about, and we're going to be showing you some really cool world coins at the end of this video. So make sure you watch this all the way through. But before we get started, everyone, I want to tell everybody out there, thank you so very much for watching our channel, supporting my channel, watching it through. Thank you, members, so very, very much. When you become a member, you help support the channel, everybody. Help support giveaways. Such as this incredible Goldback, guys, that Goldback has donated to us. I said 299 of 250,000 yesterday. It's 255 of 250,000. And that's when we hit 10,000 subscribers. And if we hit 10,000 subscribers this month, I'll throw in an ounce of gold to that giveaway that goes to one person. So, hey, once we hit 10,000, an incredible Goldback giveaway, generously given by Goldback itself. So, let's thank all of you viewers out there. Let's thank my subscribers. I appreciate you so very much from the bottom of my heart. To your living room, everybody. I'm just the quarterback. You're the team. And without you, a channel cannot be successful. The algorithm picks up on comments. It picks up on watch time, how long you watch these videos, guys. So if you click on them and you scroll to the very end just to watch the coins or something, well, that's low average view duration. So if you can, I know some of you can't, watch them through. You do know some of those commercials that YouTube puts on there can be skipped. So if you don't see that, you can hit the skip button. I know there's a lot of them, but it helps support us. And YouTube's going to put them on there whether I'm monetized or not. So all the YouTube channels have them unless you buy premium. So you can buy premium. So guys, let's move into gold and silver this morning. They're down. Silver's down, gold's down, platinum's down, palladium's down, Shanghai's down. They're all down. I mean, I was thinking gold and silver for sure this week because of all the things that are going on that they were going to go up. And they still could go up today. I mean, as volatile as this stuff is, it could still really go up. But it presents one thing, everybody, a buying opportunity. When you have it go down like this, it's a buying opportunity for sure. I'm just saying, guys, right now, buy some silver, buy some gold. It will go up, and it will go up big time. It will. We keep saying that. I know. We keep saying that, but it is going to happen. Guys, it's still, from last year at this time, it's still way up, astronomically up compared to what it was last year. So go back and look at the numbers last year in a year period, everybody, and you'll see what the heck it's doing. So just want to give that little tidbit to you. So don't worry about silver being down this morning. Some of you will get bummed out. Actually, I kind of get bummed out too, but not because of the videos, but because, hey, I bought silver at $100 an ounce, you know, but I'm not too worried about it because I know it's going to come back up. I know what all the experts are saying. I know it's going to happen. There's too many things involved for silver not to be rising. But let's get off of that bandwagon and go to gold. It's 5,887.30, still over $5,000, everybody. 5,000 gold. This time last year, what was it? 3 grand? I'd have to go back and look, but 3 grand probably last year. So it's still way up. Silver is at 82.77. It's down about $1. It's actually down probably about $3. I think the start of the week it was right around 83 and some change, 84. So pretty close to the same, pretty close to the floor. They said the floor was going to be right around $81 an ounce, and we're above that floor right now at 82.77. So it's still doing good, but it's just so volatile right now. And we all know why a lot of this is happening. So there's not enough silver. There's not enough silver supply, guys, to support the paper contracts that they have on silver. It's just not there. When that stuff gets called in, they say, we're going to pull our silver. We're taking our silver. They don't have it. And so they're suppressing silver right now. And I know the industries don't want silver to go up because it's just too expensive for them industrial wise. So they want silver to be down. So I'm sure there's a lot of things involved. And hey, make sure you comment what your opinions are. What is silver going to end up for the weekend? I'm going to just throw out there, let's say 84. I was sure betting 90 the way it started out a little bit earlier in the week. We bumped up to 86, 7, 8 this week, 9 early this week, but we'll find out, man. It's dropped quite a bit this week. So 2,075 on platinum, down $54, everybody. I'm going to take a happy coffee. Guys, there's nothing negative about owning silver and gold. Not a thing, everybody. Not a thing. So 1589 on palladium, it's down $17. $17. Rhodium, 11,000. It's actually down. It held $11,250 for a while, but it is down. I tell you, with the shocker, Hong Kong and Mumbai are actually up. Allergies not too bad this morning, guys. ADHD is pretty good too, really. And I feel good. I didn't feel good yesterday at all. I don't know if it was allergies or I had a little flu bug or something, but man, I didn't feel good at all. Didn't get enough sleep. It's just one of those things. So Hong Kong, 51.68.95. And silver's at 85.42. So there's a possibility we could pull up today. Hong Kong being high. Let me refresh this because that could be wrong. Let's check it. Nope, that's not wrong. So Mumbai, 51.04.75 on gold and 84.35 on silver. So let's look at the ratio. What's happened with the ratio with silver dropping down I've said quite a bit, a couple bucks an ounce probably. The ratios is 61.42. So if you're new to stacking silver, it's 61 ounces of silver to get 1 ounce of gold, everybody. Or you can get 61 ounces of silver from 1 ounce of gold. So I wouldn't recommend that. When it was 101 to 1, it's been a long time ago, guys. I took and got 101 ounces of silver. I traded some gold. I actually got more than that. I think I got 160 ounces of silver. I traded some gold and got silver. And that was a good trade. That was a great trade, everybody, because my silver went boom throughout the years. So great time, excuse me, great time to get silver, guys. If you can only afford fractional, dollar cost average your stuff, give yourself a budget. I give myself a budget. Another great time right now. Another thing that I am doing personally, and now this is me personally, everybody, is I'm going all in on Goldbacks. I have a gut feeling about Goldbacks. I have a gut feeling about what is going on in this world, in our economies, and I think Goldbacks are future. I think Goldbacks are, because they're 24 karat gold, everybody. I think that Goldbacks are going to be a huge alternative currency to digital, to Bitcoin, and I'm going to be. I've got enough silver. I'm happy with what the silver I have. I am going to buy more, but I am happy with it. But I'm going to throw down pretty hard on some Goldbacks, some fractional stuff, some constitutional silver. Great time to get constitutional silver, everybody. So hey, keep on rocking and rolling. Goldbacks are 1026. Remember, Goldbacks are a great way to get fractional gold, everybody. They don't sponsor me, but I love them so very much, and I have so much confidence in this over a dollar bill. Let's see, where's it at? So would you rather have this, or would you rather have this, everybody? I know our economy is stronger than it was, and I know this is probably stronger than it was. That's kind of holding silver down a little bit too. Which is not a bad thing because it helps Mrs. SSC in a real estate business, so things go up. So, but I have more confidence in this right here than I do this, everybody, and digital. So that's why Goldbacks, I'm going to go all in pretty hard on Goldbacks. They're pretty inexpensive, guys. They've really held the premiums on the Goldback itself down. But they're at 1026 this morning, and they're likely to possibly go down this morning if gold goes down again today, along with silver. Let's run over to our base metals. Our base metals, copper still holding strong at 582. So copper's doing well. That's another one, guys, that a lot of people are investing in, is the investment grade copper. We're going to talk about that on Super Copper Sunday, along with my silver pickups. I got some silver pickups in, guys. Don't really have a lot of copper that came in, but I do have some silver pickups, some more world coins. I'm working on some pirate coins. I call them pirate coins, shipwreck coins, guys. So nickel, 781. Copper, 582. Aluminum is at $1.58. Zinc at $1.47, everybody. And your Wonder Boy Bitcoin. Wonder Boy Bitcoin is, let's refresh this real quick, 72,167. So it came up a little bit from yesterday at 68,000. But I'm not a digital person, everybody. I am a physical person. I love the physical. And hey, it is a great time to get silver. So we're going to do happy coffee to silver and gold, because it is a good time to buy silver and gold. So let's move back to it. And then we're going to check out some world coins, everybody. I love these world coins. I have a lot of fun doing that every morning for you folks. And so we're going to look at some more. 5,089.20 on gold, 82.89 on silver. Starting to come back up a little bit, guys. What is it going to do today? Everybody comment. Make sure you comment. Comments are great. Comments can help others and new stackers that are getting involved in this hobby and this investment, guys. It's a hobby and an investment, and numismatic coins too. I love those. 2,075 on platinum, and of course 82.89 on silver. 1590 on palladium, and rhodium's about the same. So let's do some happy coffee and check out some world coins, guys. Happy Friday once again. and then we'll be off to work. So like we've been doing for what, the last week and a half or so, we've been pulling out some world coins and checking those out, guys. So it makes these videos a little bit longer. Take a little drink of coffee here. And let's pull out our first one, guys. It's a very, very cool coin. Now, these are the later coins that I pulled out because we're kind of switching it up a little bit. But I think you pronounce that Malawi, something like that. Anyway, I thought this was a really, can we get that in there? I thought this was a really cool coin, everybody. You know, just some of the coins that they've got out. 1996, beautiful little coin. A 50, was it Tambala? Is that how you pronounce it? You know, I'm learning a lot about these things, and I'm going to continue to research. Excuse me, everyone. Research these coins, and they're a lot of fun. I know the grandkids will have a lot of fun with them. Maybe in 200 years, this thing will have some value, but I'm not sure that they have that much value. But they're really cool to have. They're really, really cool to have, everybody. Let's point this camera down just a little bit. They're really, really neat coins. And Czech Republic, 1993. Czech Republic, everybody. 1993 Czech Republic coin. You know, a lot of us live in, you know, we got Canada, we got the United States, we got the UK. I'm hoping that, you know, I get to show everybody's country's coin out there. I may not have all of them, but I know I'm going to at least keep one, maybe a few of these world coins, one from every country. That might be kind of difficult, but we've got a lot of the same countries that are really, really cool, but very, very cool coin. Czech Republic, 5 korun. Is that how it's pronounced, everybody? Anyway, there you go. Czech Republic, everybody. Ireland. I know we have some people in Ireland. Check that one out. Y'all know what this one is. We don't. 5 pence in the United States, but hey, everybody, Ireland. We got viewers in Ireland. Very, very cool. Very, very nice coin. And you know, this is just a lot of fun. This is what makes stacking a lot of fun, everybody. Once you've got your deep stack in, and you're fairly satisfied. Of course, you're never satisfied when it comes to silver. You always want more. But then getting some of this stuff is just a lot of fun. This is what makes stacking a lot of fun, and showing it to everybody too. Here's a great one. Egypt, 1992 Egypt. Now, there's a lot of history in Egypt, right? Wow. Egypt, a huge, huge history. Beautiful coin. Look at that coin. That's a beautiful coin. I think that's one of my favorites. Check that out. What a beautiful, beautiful coin. Egypt. I don't think I have anybody in Egypt. Don't think I have anybody in Saudi Arabia. Anyway, cool beans, man. I love that coin. Our last one, guys. Our last one. Falkland Islands, UK. You all know all about the Falkland Islands. Beautiful 1992 Falkland Islands. I like that one too. That's very cool. Nice, nice coin, everybody. Falkland Islands. So, guys, this kind of stuff's a blast. Stacking silver's a blast. And just remember, when it goes down, it's a buying opportunity. When it goes up, it's an opportunity that you have made money. So everybody have a happy Friday. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. Thanks for watching our videos, guys. We love you guys. Heavenly Father, please let us concentrate on the 80% that we have and not the 20% that we seek. Everybody have a great Friday. SSC, I'm out.